for weight gain. It's really high in calorie. If you take this food, you will see a result in your weight within a minute. It's important when you trying to gain weight to eat high calorie food. So do not eat food that are big and they're not high in calorie, because that do not make sense. Eat something that is high in calorie, like a small food, but it's high in calorie to make your life easier. Okay, let's get into the list of the high food. Okay, I wrote these down in my notebook so it could be easier, and I will tell you in easy breathe up. First one gonna be potatoes. Potatoes is really high in calorie. Like one small potato, like one round, the 163 calories. That's really high. Imagine you have 5 of that. 500, 600, that's like 800 calories, just 5 potatoes. And like with that other food, if you mix it with other food or you fry it, that's another calorie added to it, because oil is also high in calorie. So number 2 is egg. One egg has 78 calories. That's really high. 2 eggs, that's like 1 something calorie. Number 3, a milkshake. Milkshake is similar to protein shake, but it tastes better, but it's expensive. Yeah, so one milkshake, 350 calories. Like if you get a McDonald's large milkshake, that's like 800 calories. Like milkshake is really high in calories. Number 4, cheese. 1 slice of cheese is 113 calories. You could put that in the bread for breakfast with other stuff, not adding it to it. That's a lot. Number 4, pasta. No, number 5, pasta. 2 ounces of pasta is 75 calories. No tomato sauce or none of that. The next one, banana. Banana is very high too. 105 calories for 1 banana. Next food, breast. Next one, chicken breast. 231 calories. Chicken breast is the main thing here that is high. No, not chicken breast. We're gonna get into that. But chicken breast, 231 calories. It's high, really high. You could do chicken breast with potato. That's a lot of calories. That's what I used to eat. But anyways, brown rice. Just 1 cup of brown rice is 116 calories. The next one, chocolate bar. That's 406 calories. That's the highest in my list. Like chocolate bar is easy to eat and it's high in calories. So get you a chocolate bar for snack. The next one is croissant. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Croissant, right? Yeah, croissant. 231 calories. It's high and it's really small. Like it's like this small right here. It's really small, and I love croissant. It has butter, natural butter on it. Like, you could eat it plain, you could put Nutella in it. Like, I just love it. The last one is avocado. One avocado is 234 calories. That's very high. Like, you could make an avocado salad or like. Anyways, these are my top food eat to gain weight. Of course, there's more plenty food that you could eat out there that's not on this list, but it's in calorie. Just do your research. You probably will find you a better high calorie food on my list. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this. Also, like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see ya in my next video. Peace.